Hi, it's Richard from Century Alarms and welcome to our how-to series. In this video, how to set the Wi-Fi on a Lightsys panel.
Okay, so we're going to hit the back button bottom left. It's going to ask you for your code. And then we hit the OK button. And activities, it's the OK button to that. We scroll down until we see Wi-Fi. Hit the OK button to that. We hit the down arrow until it says Wi-Fi WPS button. We push OK to that. And now we push the pairing button or WPS button on your router, and that should pair then to the Lightsys Plus panel. Great, so we are successfully connected. We simply now have to get back to the sort of normal unset position for the keypad. So to do that, we just push the back arrow, I think it's 4 times. And as you can see, we're back to normal again.